project to, Steven, leading lady sa project.
Hindi. Para sa akin, maganda siya, tapos magaling siya sa acting. So, tapos we always saw each other sa Starstruck, you know, mga tapings and everything.
Okay. So, Paolo Avellino, watch your back. Okay. Ikaw naman, Sarah, dream leading man for a show.
Kapatid niyo po.
Si Elvis, hindi lang. Si Chard. Okay, well, who knows? Maybe in the future, di ba? Bagay ang height nyo.
Hopefully.
Di ba? Alright, so ito na. Let's move on, guys. Marami pang pinagdadaanan sina Sarah and Steven as actors, pero may isa pang matinding trial na syempre kailangan nilang harapin. Ano yan? Let's watch this. Nagsisimula pa lang ang career na Steven Silva at Sara Labati. Ngunit ngayon pa lang, nasusubok na agad ang katatagan ng dalawa. Their lives are now undergoing drastic changes. Ngunit pangunahin na rito ang pagiging malayo sa kanilang mga pamilya. Para kay Sara, her parents' support really kept her going throughout the competition. Ngunit ngayon, she would have to learn how to cope with the fact na muli na magabalik ang ama niya sa Switzerland.
I think she will be all right because when I used to talk to her lately, you know, she told me that she can manage now and she's happy that her mom is with her. And we noticed, you know, that Sarah, you know, she's not really. She was a bit lonely when we were before in Switzerland, but we used to talk to her always. But we know that she can be independent. That's why now we are not really worried. If when I go back to Switzerland, I know that she can manage to stay alone with her mom.
Yung suporta namin, yung magtawag kami ng kababayan namin, kamag-anak niya, kamag-anak namin, tsaka yung love namin sa kanya na para hindi niya ma-feel na nag-iisa siya. Both of us were not here in Philippines. Iba talaga yung parents na nandyan sa tabi.
At para naman kay Steven, he has to learn how to keep on fulfilling his dreams sa gitna ng pangungulila sa ina, who wasn't present to witness her son's victory at kinailangang iwan ang anak weeks before the final judgment.
With all the hard work, so happy kami sa achievement ng anak ko. I just hope and pray na he will stay humble and hindi mag-change. That he will be the same Steven that we know. Now, I hope also na wala munang babae. Ano muna focus sa career niya kasi nag-start lang siya ngayon. And I want him to remember one thing na talagang pinaka-importante ang pamilya sa amin that, you know, whatever happens, family comes first, na no matter what, talagang hindi niya makakalimutan yung pamilya niya. We are so proud of him.
And soon enough, even his dad has to return to the US. But for his dad, with the talent that Steven has, wala raw dapat ipag-alala ang kanilang anak.
At the end, I was almost anticipating that he was going to win. And when he did the final act there, I told myself, I said, they can't take it away from him. Not all the money in the world can take it. He did so good that I couldn't see anybody winning except him. I was that confident because he did so good. And I was the first time I seen him perform, you know, in front of me. So I was in tears. I was so happy. I said, that's my son. You know, I mean, you hear about it and I see it on the internet, but when you see it right in front of you, it's like, and I'm not I'm usually not a very, kind of person that really, has tears in their eyes, but I just couldn't hold back.
Distance may separate Steven and Sarah mula sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. But one thing is for sure, ni minsan ay hindi raw mawawala ang suporta at tiwala ng mga ito sa mga ultimate survivors, who are first and foremost, still the children they love most.
Gusto ko na kung sino ka na pinalaki kita hanggang sa ngayon, gusto ko ganun ka na talagang nirerespeto mo ang lahat.
You found what you want, you know, you are already in the showbiz, so continue doing what you are doing now and give all what you can and stay as you are, and we wish you all the best.
And we are really proud of you. So, keep it up. We love you so much.
You're still the same kid I knew when you were 1 year old, and I'm very proud of you and I love you very much. and I wish you a lot of success. Just want you to be happy. I don't care if you make $1 billion, just be happy. And I know you will be.
That was nice. We have to thank your family for granting us those interviews, and also to Steven, for your mom for Skyping with us earlier. Now, you look like your mom, by the way. We just noticed that. Now, I have to ask you guys, because meron kayong something in common na pareho kayong nasa showbiz na ngayon, pareho kayong nanalo, and at the same time, you kind of have to do it on your own dahil your parents are away. For Sarah, ano yung mga changes sa family na mangyayari now that you're an actress?
Of course, mahirap para sa akin kasi 16 lang ako and yung dad ko, kailangan niyang bumalik sa Switzerland. So, yun yung parang magbabago na hindi na kami tatlo for everyday nagkikita, ganon. So, magiging mahirap yun. Pero kakayanin kasi ito yung gusto kong gawin and ito yung pinasok ko.
And alam ko your mom so supportive na pati siya dito na rin maninirahan sa
Yes.
Pilipinas.
Nag-decide siya na dito na lang siya, tulungan niya ako and supportahan sa mga ginagawa ko.
Anong nararamdaman mo, Sarah? I know your dad is leaving in a few days. How do you feel about this?
Ala, yan na. Siyempre nakakalungkot kasi super close kami ng dad ko. Super close kami and babalik na siya. So, mamimiss ko siya, of course.
Totoo ba yung sinabihan mo rin yung dad mo na, Dad, uwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas, ako na lang magiging breadwinner? Ba't mo nasabi yun?
Sorry. Kasi syempre mas masaya pag tatlo kami kompleto. And sa akin okay lang kung ako lang yung mag-work. Para lang akong kumakanta. Yun, okay lang for me kung ako yung mag-work for them basta magkakasama kami.
I'm sure your dad is watching now. I want you to greet him in French.
Papa, merci pour tout. Je sais que tu vas bientôt partir, mais on va se revoir. Donc, c'est pas la fin, on va se revoir et tu vas me manquer beaucoup. Merci, je t'aime.
Ayan po yung translation nakikita nyo on the bottom of your screens. Dala ka lang. Okay, so ikaw naman, Steven, ano yung mga changes na mangyayari? Alam ko your mom wasn't here for the final judgment. How did that feel?
Para sa akin, sobrang mahirap. Kasi parang dati, my mom has always been there for me. Pero sa final judgment, wala siya. So, mahirap. It was a really hard adjustment. Kasi I look out in the crowd, and wala siya. So, it was really hard.
Isa sa mga, syempre, struggles then is because your family's away. Do you find it now, it's like a choice between career and family? Kasi alam ko, ikaw rin magma-migrate ka na dito, syempre, for your career. Do you have to choose between career and family? Do you feel that way?
Para sa akin, parang hindi. Kasi kahit na nandito ako sa Pilipinas, parang I always have my family. Their support is there. Even though they're so far away, their support is always with me. And I know that. So, parang sa akin, it's still there. My family's still there, even though my career is here.
What's your message to them? I know your dad was shocked when you danced and sang in front of him. Di pa raw niya nakikita yun, di ba?
See, Mom, Dad, Ginilyn, all I can really say is thank you to you guys, because I know that without all your support, without your love, I could never be here right now. I'm talking to you on TV, and really thank you. You know I love you guys so much, and I'm so thankful for all the love you've given me and all the support.
All right. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Sarah, Steven.
Thanks a lot.
Congratulations once again, lahat ng fans nyo. Excited na kayong makita ano bang magiging unang proyekto ng dalawang ito. Abangan po natin yan dito sa GMA7. Thank you guys so much. I also want to thank Jerome Lorico, Dr. Vivian Sarabia, Bello Medical Group, Eileen Ramos and Ton Lau, and happy birthday to Tita Mary Ann Opeña. At marami pa kayong dapat abangan dito sa Showbiz Central. Tutok lang. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.